All right, so students, today I'm gonna share an amazing app with you, especially for those students who keep saying कि मैम we don't have any partner to practice with. यानी हमारे पास कोई पार्टनर नहीं है जिसके साथ हम बोलकर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस करें. So students, now you don't need to be worried about it because I have got an amazing app that's totally free of cost. You don't need to invest, right? यहाँ पर आप किसी भी टाइम किसी भी पर्सन से इन इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. स्पेशली इट्स बेस्ट फॉर बिगनर्स एंड इंटरमीडिएट लेवल स्टूडेंट्स, राइट? ऑल राइट, सो हियर यू कैन सी, just open this app. Right, so this is the interface of this app. You can create your group, but इसके लिए एक दो requirements होती हैं. ठीक है, आपका अकाउंट 1 वीक पुराना हो, ठीक है, और आपके 15 more than 15 फॉलोअर्स हों, जो कि इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, वो विद इन अ वीक हो जाता है. ठीक है, ये क्राइटेरिया कंप्लीट हो जाता है. एनीवे, here you can see there are different communities, different rooms. If you are a beginner, अगर आप beginner हैं, you can join any room that is for any level or beginners. ठीक है, beginners या any level वाला group join कर सकते हैं if you are a beginner, to improve your basic English speaking skills, to enhance your confidence. So that's what I wanted to share with you, because most of our students keep saying कि ma'am the biggest hurdle we face in learning English is कि उनके पास कोई partner नहीं होता है. इस ऐप के थ्रू यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड एनी पार्टनर एनी टाइम. ठीक है, टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू कैन कम्युनिकेट विद पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एक्सेंट्स, and when you start communicating with them, then gradually you build your confidence, you start understanding the accents of people from different countries, right? So the best app that is totally free of cost, just install it, start using right away. Here is an important announcement that English with Fatima is now launching its official spoken English programs. And the best part is enrollments are open for one-on-one sessions as well. So if you want to learn directly from me, अगर आप directly मुझसे learn करना चाहते हैं, individually classes लेना चाहते हैं, then simply contact at this number for course details. I guarantee that after attending these classes, you will see a big difference in your English. So that's all about today. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and yes, do subscribe to our channel for more updated videos. Thank you.